Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video that I am posting tonight. There were two different news stories. They have nothing to do with each other, but make sure to go and check out the video I posted before this one, which is about a Poshmark update on the USPS shipping delays. This video is about a huge Poshmark news story that I saw an article on last night, and then Poshmark just sent out an email about it. Before we get into the video, I wanted to do something for you guys for the end of the year. So if you send me an email to poshbosshq@gmail.com, I have created a sort of a mini training bundle that I will email back to you absolutely free. No charge, no catch, no nothing. It's just something that I hope will help you in terms of preparing for the new year and moving on from this year and growing your business and staying motivated. So definitely send me an email. It's poshbosshq@gmail.com, and I will send you the training bundle. Again, this is me individually sending everybody this training bundle that I created. So bear with me. It might give me like 24 to 48 hours to get it to you. I'm not sure how many emails I will get or anything like that. So, but again, absolutely free training bundle to help you with the beginning of a brand new year. So last night I saw an article, which I will link in the description box, that Poshmark had filed for an IPO, meaning that you would be able to buy stock in Poshmark and buy shares in Poshmark, which is so exciting. I did read the article. It just talks about how they were profitable this year, and so they decided to file for it. And it also talked a little bit about some other companies that were filing that were profitable this year, like DoorDash and ThredUp and things like that. But Poshmark just sent out an email regarding their filing. So I just wanted to read you guys the email and then talk a little bit about it. So it says, Poshmark's directed share program for proposed IPO. And it says, community is at the heart of everything we do at Poshmark. As a Poshmark ambassador, we're incredibly grateful for you and the community you've helped us build over the past 9 years. As you may know, Poshmark has taken steps towards becoming a publicly traded company, and we're excited to share that we plan to offer a directed share program to a limited group of community members as part of our proposed initial public offering. With this program, we plan to reserve a portion of Poshmark shares for eligible Posh ambassadors to purchase at the initial public offering price at the time of our proposed IPO. I'm going to stop here for a second. I'm not sure who all is getting this email, if everyone is getting this email, if all the Posh ambassadors are getting the email, if all the Posh ambassadors who have been on Poshmark for a certain period of time are getting the email, because I've been on Poshmark since 2014. So that's 6 of the 9 years that they've been in existence, I've been selling on Poshmark. But yeah, so I'm not 100% sure on who all is getting this email. So just wanted to put that as a disclaimer. It says, for more information on eligibility criteria, restrictions, legal information, and what this process looks like, please see our frequently asked questions. Please note that this program will be administered by a third-party program administrator and not by Poshmark. In the coming weeks, the program administrator will send an email with more information directly to the eligible Posh ambassadors who are interested. If you are interested in learning more, complete this pre-registration form by 11:59 p.m. Eastern on December 23rd, 2020. Here are some important details about the program. I'm not going to read all these just because it's a lot of like just legal information. I will read, we expect that there will be a minimum purchase amount of at least $300 in addition to a maximum purchase amount. We may also limit the amount any one ambassador can purchase depending on the total demand for the program and Poshmark's initial public offering price. More legal information, and then the link to start the pre-registration, which I already did. It just asks you for your legal name and your Poshmark name. And then you click submit, and then you're pre-registered. I guess they're going to send out more information in the coming weeks about how to buy stock in Poshmark, which is really exciting to me. I'm going to click on the frequently asked questions and see what it says. Let's see. It says, what is a stock? What is an initial public offering? Initial public offering is the first public issuance of stock from a company that has not been publicly traded on a public stock market exchange like NYSE or NASDAQ. In other words, this is the first moment where the general public is able to buy shares of a company's stock. What is Poshmark's directed share program? We intend to reserve a portion of shares of Poshmark's Class A common stock for eligible Posh ambassadors in the United States. These shares will be available for a subset of eligible Posh ambassadors to purchase at the IPO price without paying a brokerage fee as part of the company's IPO. Why are you offering it? Over the years, we've had many community members express interest in being able to purchase Poshmark stock when it becomes available. While we're limited in the number of community members we can make this available to, this program allows eligible Posh ambassadors to purchase stock at the IPO price as part of the IPO just before our stock becomes publicly traded. This is in no way a solicitation or obligation. Who is eligible to register for this program? The program has strict eligibility requirements, including U.S. security regulations, so there will be limitations on who can participate. We've done our best to make the process fair based on the limitations that we have. As a company registering under U.S. security laws, we are not permitted to offer this program outside of the United States. Poshmark Posh ambassadors will be potentially eligible to participate so long as they currently reside in the U.S., they've made at least one sale on Poshmark between January 1st, 2020 and December 2nd, 2020. They opted into the Posh Ambassador program on or before December 2nd, 2020. They are not current or former employees of Poshmark. So they can't be employees, and you had to have entered the Posh Ambassador program before December 2nd, 2020. So probably a lot of people got this email. I'm not sure how many shares are going to be available. That's the next question. Basically, there's no guarantee. How will you determine who can buy the limited number of shares available? This is a heavily regulated process, and we are limited in who we can make the limited number of shares available to for the purposes of this program. It says, in approximately early January 2021, the administrator will begin sending emails to pre-registered Posh ambassadors, inviting them to register and set up special brokerage accounts for purposes of the program. There will be a limited number of days during the Posh ambassadors, which Posh ambassadors can complete the steps to register with the administrator. More information about the timeline will be provided by the administrator. Posh ambassadors will not be contacted without first receiving an email from Poshmark identifying the administrator and informing them that an email is headed their way. It says number of shares is limited. It says, why aren't you making shares available at the IPO price to all community members? And then it says, we've reserved a percentage of shares of our IPO for the Poshmark community, but we're limited by regulations and program capacity restraints. Is there a minimum purchase amount to participate? Yes. We expect that there will be a minimum purchase amount of at least $300 and a maximum purchase amount as well. I think that means you have to buy at least $300 worth of shares. Then it talks about how you register. They're going to be sending out communications early January 2021. Employees are not eligible. You are not obligated to participate. There's a lot of questions. Okay. But yeah, so that's the email. I will try to link the frequently asked questions from the email down below, because those are on the Poshmark website. They're not just in the email. But yeah, so this is huge news about Poshmark, which is exciting to me because I have been really interested in the stock market lately. I don't know. I have no idea why. But I downloaded this app called Robinhood, and I will put my referral link for Robinhood down below, because if you use my referral link to download Robinhood, you will get a free stock. I don't know what the stock is going to be. It's randomly chosen for you, but basically you just download the app and you have to link your bank account. But I just linked my bank account and transferred $1 over to Robinhood, and then it'll pop up to where you can get your free stock. And basically it's a no risk way to have a stock and kind of you know, get into the stock market and just kind of see, because I had never owned a stock or anything like that, and just wanted to see how it works. And it's fun to follow it. It'll send you notifications every day if it has gone down or up, and I just really like it. So if you're interested in that, it's a free stock, might as well. I'll put my link down in the comments. But yeah, so Poshmark is going to have shares available for us to buy, which is a huge move for Poshmark. And I'm super proud that they were profitable this year despite what is going on. I think this is very promising in terms of the future of selling on Poshmark, the future of reselling. I think reselling is here to stay. I think people are very much interested in buying online and, you know, buying sustainable fashion and not just buying fast fashion. I'm excited that people are more open to buying used fashion as well. So I just wanted to make this video and inform you guys about the IPO, and I will link all the articles and everything down below. If you have questions or comments, definitely leave me a comment and I will respond to you. And make sure you have joined my Facebook group, which is also linked below. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a great weekend.